Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Real quick, when I say live, what I mean is I'm recording myself right now in real time, seeing the information, seeing the data for the very first time. So to respect your time, if you are looking for a video where somebody's got hindsight in their favor and they're doing a trade recap or something like that, this won't be a video for you. But if you are open to the idea of an unscripted, nitty-gritty look into what it's like to be a day trader and how day trading can play out, I'm confident you'll find value in this video. So market just opened up. I will go ahead and pause the recording software for now, and when I see an opportunity, I will get things recording again. Okay, I have an order at 27 to pick up a put here, so it actually got somewhat close. I'm gonna go to 26 at this point now. All right, I will go ahead and pause. Like I said, it jumped up, it being the price, and then thought it might get filled on the contract, but didn't happen. But I will keep a close eye on it. Okay, I have an order at 20, in at 20. Okay, not looking like the greatest of entry points here. So I'm in loss control mode now. Looking for some sort of bounce back up. See if we can get 18. Wow. See if it wants to bounce back up a bit more here. And out there for a $340 loss. Quite the move. So, all right, well that chips away quite a bit at the gains I've had, but that's right, that's going to happen every now and then. So, okay, that just comes with the territory. That is to be expected from time to time, and as long as that doesn't happen a whole lot of the time, which it does not. Look at that perfect thing is I called that earlier in the chat room. I didn't have enough patience for it, and I know, sure you did, Clay. So here's the chat room. SP 5 minute, not close right now, but a gap close puts it essentially right at the 200 SMA. So let me bring over the 5 minute time frame, and the gap close came right down there, closed the gap, went slightly below that pink line there, the 200 period moving average, and then bounced. Now, granted, this is all hindsight, but if there's a lesson there, you know, just wait for the setup that you're watching. And I did not wait, and it ended up costing me. So that's what happens. I'm glad I put that out there. That way I can't be accused of, I'm sure you were thinking that, Clay. Sure you were thinking that. No, right there it was. So yeah, that's what happens when you don't wait. All right, well, let's see what else I can do. Okay, I have an order at $15 here. Came down close, but not quite close enough. And now back up it goes. Bummer. Okay, I'm at 14. In at 14. And out for a quick $50 scalp. See, that's what happens when you actually just wait for your trades. Amazing. Okay, going to 1250 now. Amazing what happens when you just actually listen to your plan, listen to your alerts. Good things happen. Now, are they always going to happen? No, I'm not saying that if you listen, you're never going to have a losing trade. But, you know, what you witnessed with that first trade was me. And like I said, I had the documented proof there. I mean, it would have made such a difference had I just waited, because that original trade plan actually didn't make a whole lot of sense. This actually probably needs to be down more so around 12. All right, I'll pause. So just, it's going to be a red day today. So let me make that very clear. I'm not trying to get everything back in one trade. That's how you make holes a whole lot bigger. But I am just going to chip away. And if I can make another couple $50 trades, and even if I don't make any more trades, that's okay. Like I said, from a broad scope of things, I am just fine. Yes, today's loss is wiped away. Some of the gains. But I'm still plenty green with SPX options, so it's not like I just blew up or anything like that. So there's no need to rush and try to get everything back. Just stick with the strategy that's been proven to work. Lots of data points. And, if I can get this down another $50, great. If not, that's okay too. But the one thing I know I am going to do is I'm going to listen to my trade plans. Listen to what the chart suggests the entry point should be. So, okay, I will go ahead and pause. Okay, I have an order at 16. In there at 16. And out for another $50. Again, my premise holds. Amazing what happens when you just follow the chart, listen to the trade plan. And if this thing wants to come up to about 440.50, I would be interested once again in a put. Put an order out there at 20.50 just in case there's a big snap up move. All right, so like I said earlier, not looking to get green and don't plan on getting green. So, all right, I'll go ahead and pause. Okay, I have an order at 21.20. I'm going to go to 20.50 now. Looking to play a put. I will go ahead and pause. Okay, maybe this is where I get filled. Okay, in 20.50. And out there for $50. Let's go to 18.50 now. Just start the process all over again. If it wants to keep coming up, I will go ahead and pause for now. Did I even hit record? Let me check. Was I recording? Yes, I was. Okay, cool. All right, I'm at 18.50 and I will pause. I'm going to go ahead and wrap things up. And if you walk away with one thing, just listen. Listen to your trade plans. I did not listen, and you saw me pay a price for it. And it was a good reminder to myself, even though I'm sure I'll do it again. I think all traders, nobody's going to be perfect in totality with all the rules. But if anything, if I can just offer you that as just a friendly reminder of what can happen when you don't listen, and especially when you really do have a valid trade plan mapped out. And like I said at the beginning, not hindsight trading. You saw the alert right there. And had I listened to it, I would have been just fine. Just like all my other trades, right? All my other trades are very anticlimactic, in, out. I think all my trades lasted less than 10 seconds other than that first one. Really, I should be up quite a bit today, but I didn't listen to that one, and that is what happened. So maybe that's what I'll title this video. I should have listened. But that's how it goes sometimes. Overall, though, I'm pleased with how things turned out. We'll be down right around $200, which in the grand scheme of things, I'll be just fine. And, my results are still trending upwards very nicely. Well, is there going to be a potential another trade? All right, I'm going to go ahead and pause, because if this thing comes down a bit more, maybe a trade. Nope, never mind. It's seemingly coming back up. Okay. Yep, never mind. So I am officially going to wrap things up. So if you appreciate the transparency, do I really want to post this? Probably not. I'd rather just post videos where I'm winning and making great decisions and always following my rules. But that's just not the reality of trading. So if you appreciate the transparency, hit that like button, comment down below. And like I said, I appreciate that. And I will continue to make these videos as long as I know that you as viewers are enjoying. And a great quick way to communicate that to me, like I said, is just hit that like button. Even leave a quick comment that says thanks or hi or something like that. So thank you for hanging out. And remember, get out there and listen to your trade plans. Listen to what you're identifying on the charts. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.